Today, we are going to search survimo.com. What is Survimo? Survimo is a free online platform that offers surveys to its users. How much you can earn by answering surveys? You can earn $5 per answer. Can we really earn that much? Let's see. First we have to sign up, then answer surveys. They say we will receive survey invitations via email. After completing surveys we can withdraw money to our PayPal account. There are more payout methods you can see. Let's start the sign-up process. Enter your email and make a strong password. You will receive an email with a verification link to activate your account. Click this option, Activate your account. Now we are going to log in. There are more additional informations requested. Type your gender, birthday and zip code here. Put a mark here to agree with privacy. Again, accept all these terms and conditions. We created our account successfully. We are going to surveys option. But there are no surveys at the moment. Let's click on the profile. Here we can see questions to answer. There are question categories as household, occupation, auto, electronics, hobbies and interests, travel and more. You can see number of questions we have to answer in each category. So we are going to answer these questions. Let's start with household category. There are simple questions. Select your answer and go to the next question. Let's finish all these questions. It will take some time. Okay, we finished all questions. Let's see how much we earned. Oh, my account balance is 0. I am going to check surveys option again. But there is no surveys at the moment. And there is no other ways to earn here. I am going to check my mails. Here I can see an invitation to complete a survey. Let's take this survey. Oh, there's nothing. I didn't receive more invitations. So, this is our money-making experience with survimo.com. Please comment your ideas and subscribe our channel. Let's find a way to make money online. See you in next video.